Hiya, in this video I'll be showing you how to make some chocolate Scotch eggs. Obviously not going to be made with real eggs, just a nice simple treat to make for Easter. And you can customise this however you like. So to start off with, I am going to crumble up some chocolate cake. You don't have to use chocolate cake, you can use brownies. And the great thing about this as well, if you're not a great baker, you don't have to bake it yourself. I bake these cupcakes, but you can just use store-bought cupcakes or brownies. I'm just going to crumble these up. We're basically going to make it a mixture like you would for cake pops. So I'm just going to crumble up 3 cupcakes. I'm only going to make 3 Scotch eggs, and I think 1 cupcake is just about enough sponge for each one. Obviously depending on how thick you want the outside of the Scotch egg to be. So now I've done that, I'm going to add some chocolate fudge icing. You don't have to use that, you can use vanilla or whatever flavour you want, because the sponge will be like the actual colour of it anyway. Again, you don't have to use store-bought, you can either use store-bought or make your own. Doesn't really make much difference whatsoever. Probably should use a spatula rather than a spoon for that. So I'm just going to mix this in. You don't need a lot. It's best to add a little and then add a little bit more if you need it. It's just basically to stick all the crumbs back together again. So you can basically mould it and it's like Play-Doh. So just add a little bit at a time. You don't want to add too much all at once, because you can always add more, you can't take it away. So I'm just going to mix this until it's all combined. And then I'm going to get some Cadbury's cream eggs, because they pretty much look like eggs. I know you can't get them everywhere. So like in America, I don't think you can get them. I might be wrong about that. So you can use any other egg you want. I'm sure there is an equivalent or something, maybe. I don't know. Never been there, so hope you can find something. Yeah, so you basically just get one of the eggs. And then we're going to get this stuff we just made. And then we're going to mould it around the egg. So you're just going to pick up some, squish it around, mould it so it's all covered, roll it around, make sure it's in a nice neat ball. And then we're going to roll it into some flake. That's how I'm going to do 3 of these. I'm just going to pop this to the side while I do the other 2. And then I'm going to do the breadcrumb part of it, which is, like I say, going to be flake. So again, I don't know if you can get these in America. Sorry, that's where I know most of my views come from. But you can use sprinkles or anything you like. With flakes, I find it so much easier just to crumble them up while they're still in the pack. I'm just going to crumble this and then pop it in the bowl and pretty much just roll the things in it to create the like breadcrumb look on the outside. But again, you can do this using chocolate sprinkles. You can even use colourful sprinkles if you want these for a little party favour or something, party food. Just in case you don't know what a flake is, it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like really thin bits of chocolate kind of on top of each other, and I don't know, it's really nice. So if you can't get it, you're missing out. Just want to put that in there. So I'm just crumbling this up, and then I'm going to roll these in, pushing it down while I'm doing it so it actually gets stuck to it. And then once that's done, you just pop them in the fridge and then enjoy. You can just chomp in them, bite them, eat them. But that's literally all you have to do. Like I say, it doesn't have to involve baking at all. You can buy store-bought stuff and still create them at home, or you can make everything by scratch. And it's just a really nice chocolatey treat to have at Easter, because you can't get these eggs all year round, god damn it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you make these, or if you can get hold of flakes and Cadbury's cream eggs where you are. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.